There are many different ways to view general ledger history within Business Central. Today I'm going to show you two different ways. So first is to view the general ledger entries screen. This is going to be a list of all of the general ledger entries that have been entered into Business Central. So to start, I'm going to click on the magnifying glass in the top right hand corner, and then I'm just going to search for general ledger entries. Now notice that I did not type the full word, I just typed part of the word, and because of the fuzzy search, it was able to find the screen that I'm looking for, as well as other screens that have similar names. So I'm going to click on the general ledger entry screen. Now this is going to be a list, like I said, of every single entry that has been made in the system. Now, if there were attachments, you could see that over here, but for these purposes, I'm going to minimize this by clicking this I button, and it's going to collapse to give us a little bit more real estate. So now this is going to be a giant list. So what we can do in order to find what we're looking for is to begin filtering. So you can either filter by clicking on, let's say, the posting date, and you can click on the down arrow to open menu and filter, or you can click on this filter icon over here to show you some filter options over here. So I'm going to filter by posting date. So let's say we want everything that was posted within 2019. I'm going to type in 1/1/19 and then dot and throughout the entire system means through 12/31/19. So we're going 1/1/19 through 12/31/19. And you can do various searches. You can filter by general ledger account. So let's say you only want to look in one general ledger. You can search for an amount. So let's find an amount here. So $10. So if I just wanted to search for 10, that might give me a lot of searches, search options. So let's go and search for something a little more specific. There's a 999 there. So now this is going to find anything that has 999 in the name, or so you can see some GL account names with 999 or amounts with 999. Okay, so you can filter and sort on any column that you'd wish. Now the second way to search your general ledger history is to look at what's called the GL registers. So we're again going to use the search up on the top, and I'm going to type in GL registers, well, GL reg, and then I'll click on GL registers, and it's going to be the archive. It's the one with S at the end of it. So now this is actually sorted a little bit differently. So this is a list of all of the batches that have been posted within the system. So, and it's based upon the creation date here. So you can see I just created an entry, and let's say I want to see what's in that entry. If I click on process, I can see the general ledger entries as well as any of the subledgers that have been created. But for these purposes, I'm just going to view the general ledger. And then you can look, and it's going to bring up that same general ledger entry screen, but it's just filtering for you. So you can see just the entry that you're looking for.